Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb on a Lexus RX 350. This common maintenance task can be completed at home with a few basic tools. We'll cover everything from preparing your vehicle and ensuring safety, to the precise steps for removing the old bulb and installing a new one. Finally, we'll discuss how to test your new headlight for correct operation, ensuring clear visibility for safe driving. Before starting, always prioritize safety. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. Gather your new bulb, a small flat blade screwdriver, and gloves to protect the bulb's glass. Crucially, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shock. Then, open the hood and carefully remove any engine covers or clips obstructing access to the headlight assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's access the bulb. Locate the round, gray access cover at the rear of the headlight assembly. Twist this cover counterclockwise approximately 1/4 turn until it unlocks, then pull it off. Next, find the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press the small tab on the connector and pull it straight back to disconnect it. Finally, unclip the two spring-loaded retaining clips holding the bulb in place and carefully pull the old bulb out. With the old bulb removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning its plastic tabs with the corresponding notches. Remember, do not touch the glass. Secure the bulb by re-engaging the two retaining springs. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly. Replace the round access cover, twist it clockwise to lock, and reinstall any engine covers. Finally, reconnect your battery and test both low and high beam headlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.